Data handling formulas. Mean, average. Mean is equals to sum of all values upon number of values. Median, middle value. For an odd number of data points, median is equals to middle value. For an even number of data points, median is equals to sum of the two middle values upon 2. Mode, most common value. Mode is the value that appears most frequently in a data set. Range, spread of data. Range is equals to maximum value minus minimum value. Frequency, number of occurrences. Frequency refers to the number of a time a particular value or category appears in a dataset. Frequency table, create a table to list values or categories and their respective frequencies. Bar graph, draw bars to represent the frequencies or quantity of each category. Pictograph, use pictures or symbols to represent data. Assign a key to show the quantity each picture represents. Tally marks, use vertical line to count and represent numbers. After every fifth line, draw a diagonal line to group the tally marks. Range, spread of data. Range is equals to maximum value minus minimum value. Data set, a collection of data values. Outlier, unusual data point. An outlier is a data point that is significantly different from the other data points in a set. Data distribution describes how data is spread out or distributed across different values or categories.